Let us discuss about the triple integrals. Triple integration can be evaluated as the repeated integral. Here, the triple integral means we can take the integration triple. One is with the x limits, another one is the y limits, third one is the z limits. The function can expressed in the three variables f of x comma y comma z into dx dy dz. Okay, here they have given the directly real limits, then we can do the first z integration, that is equal to integral of x1 to x2 bracket of integral y1 to y2 bracket of integral z1 to z2 f of x comma y comma z into dz. After the z integration, we can do the y integration. After the y integration, we can do the x integration, applying the limits of the corresponding variables. Okay, this is the one way of the triple integration. The second one is the expression of the triple integral is x is in the real values, y is in the expression of the x, and z is the expression of x comma y, z1 of x comma y2, z2 of x comma y, and function of x comma y comma z into dx dy dz. In this case, that is nothing but these are the limits are not in the real values. Only x is in real values, y is in function of x. That is nothing but z is in function of x and y. Then z is eliminated and transformed to y and x. Again, y is transformed to x. Then x limits in real values. In that case also, we can first integrate the z after the y, after the x. The first we can do the integration z1 of x comma y2, z2 of x comma y, function of x comma y comma z into dz. Then we can do the y, then we can do the x, applying the corresponding limits. Now we can discuss about these triple integrals if they have given the real values or the functions. Okay, the first question is evaluate integral I is equal to integral 0 to 1 dx, integral 0 to 2 dy, integral 1 to 2 x square y z dz. Okay, here already they have given the corresponding of the integration limits with the variables. It is equal to, in the solution, I is equal to integral of 0 to 1 dx, integral of 0 to 2 dy. It is the integral of 1 to 2 x square y z dz. That is equal to integral 0 to 1 dx, integral 0 to 2 dy. Now we can integrate with respect to z. This is the, that is the integral of z is z square by 2, limits from 1 to 2, x square y dx, or dx dy already here given. Now it is equal to integral 0 to 1 dx, integral 0 to 2 dy, limits 2 to the 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into x square y. It is equal to integral 0 to 1 dx, integral 0 to 2, 4 minus 1, it's 3 by 2 x square y dy. Now we can integrate with respect to y variable. That is equal to integral 0 to 1 dx, 3 by 2 x square, y integration is y square by 2, limits from 0 to 2 dx. 0 to 2 only, already dx in front of the function only. It is integral 0 to 1 dx, 3 by 2, x square, upper limit is 2, 2 square is 4 by 2, lower limit is 0. Then 2 ones are, 2 twos are, this 2 ones are, 2 ones are cancel. It is equal to 3 outside integral 0 to 1 x square dx. It is equal to 3 into x square integration is x cube by 3, limits from 0 to 1. It is equal to 3 into 1 cube is 1 by 3 minus 0. It is equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay. The function 2 variables in real. The third one is also. These all are in real limits only. It is the one type of the triple integral. The second one is, second type is second question, integral 0 to a, integral 0 to x, integral 0 to x plus y, e power x plus y plus z into dx, dy, dz. This is the first y is in x function, z is in xy function. Okay. And x is in 0 to a. Okay. Here the given integral x equal to 0 to a, y equal to 0 to x, z equal to 0 to x plus y, e power x plus y plus z into dx, dy, dz is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a, integral y equal to 0 to x, e power x plus y into e power z, integral z limits are x z equal to 0 to x plus y, e power z into dz, dx, dy. Now we can integrate e power z dz with the limits of z equal to 0 to x power. Integral x equal to 0 to a, integral y equal to 0 to x, e power x plus y, e power z integration is e power z, limits from 0 to x plus y, dx, dy. It is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a, integral y equal to 0 to x, e power x plus y into e power z is x plus y upper limit minus e power 0 is the lower limit, dx, dy. It is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a, integral y equal to 0 to x, e power x plus y whole square minus e power x plus y into dx, dy. Then it is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a. This becomes e power 2x plus 2y minus e power x plus y into dx, dy. Integral, this is y limits from 0 to x. Now it can be written as x equal to 0 to a, y equal to 0 to x, e power 2x into e power 2y. Why? Because if the bases are same, then we can add the powers. If the powers are added, means we can write the separate terms. So why? Because in the y integration, x is treating as a constant. It is e power x into e power y into dy, dx. This is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a, e power 2x is treating as a constant, e power 2y integration is e power 2y by 2, limits from 0 to x, minus e power x treating as a constant, e power y integration is e power y, limits from 0 to x whole dx. Why? Because I cannot separate if we can separate the two terms and we can integrate, then we can get the same answer only. So I directly do the integrations for two terms. Here, integral x equal to 0 to a e power 2x. Here, in the place of y, we can write it as e power 2x by 2 minus e power 0 by 2 minus e power x into e power x minus e power 0 whole dx. It is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a e power 2x into e power 2x, that is e power 4x by 2. E power 0 is nothing but 1 minus e power 2x by 2 minus e power x into e power x. X plus x is 2x, e power 2x minus into minus plus e power x into 1 is e power x whole dx. Now these two are e power 2x terms. So minus 1 by 2 minus 1 taking LCM 2 minus 1 minus 2, it is minus 3 by 2. Then it can be written as integral x equal to 0 to a e power 4x by 2 minus 3 by 2 e power 2x plus e power x whole dx. It is equal to e power 4x 1 by 2 is a constant right outside. E power 4x integration is e power 4x by 4. Limits from 0 to a minus 3 by 2 into e power 2x integration is e power 2x by 2. Limits from 0 to a plus e power x integration is e power x. Limits from 0 to a. It is equal to 1 by 4 2s are 8 e power 4a minus e power 0 minus 3 by 2 2s are 4 e power 2a minus e power 0 plus e power a minus e power 0. It is equal to 1 by 8 into e power 4a minus 1 by 8 minus 3 by 4 e power 2a minus into minus plus 3 by 4 plus e power a minus 1. It is equal to e power 4a by 8 minus 3 by 4 e power 2a plus e power a, and taking the LCM of minus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. 8 is the LCM, it's into 2 into 8 minus 1 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 8 minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 plus 6 minus 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Therefore, integral x equal to 0 to a, y equal to 0 to x, z equal to 0 to x plus y into e power x plus y plus z dx dy dz equal to e power 4a by 8 minus 3 by 4 into e power 2a plus e power a minus 3 by 8 is the answer.